Hi, this is a continuation video of installing pip, which is going to be part of the project which we are going to develop for Cbse. And in the last session, I was talking about the different topics. In today's class, we will see how to install the pip command, which is very important because this is going to help us to build the GUI, and we are going to use Tkinter module for our GUI purpose. So GUI is nothing but it's a graphical user interface where the end user can type his data using buttons and text boxes. So Python is always open source programming language which allows third-party sources to be plugged into it. So pip is one of the standard package manager for Python. So it allows it to install other packages and help Python interact with other types of modules. So pip saves a lot of time and effort, and it also is going to provide a rich module system to the current Python. So pip helps us to build better applications and better packages. So one such of module which we are going to install using pip command is going to be the Tkinter command. So before installing the Tkinter, we need to install the pip command. So let's see how we can do it easily in our systems. Thank you. So before starting with the pip command installation, I would like to stress again. So if you haven't downloaded the Python file in this particular manner, please go ahead and uninstall it and reinstall the Python system. So what you need to keep in mind is just before the installation process, you're going to download the file. It will be under downloads. You have to double click that. And just before clicking on the install button, please check if this is being checked, that is add to path.exe. So this path has to be checked. So only then you will be able to install all your pip commands appropriately. So if you haven't done this, please go uninstall it and reinstall Python so that you will be able to check this before we continue with it. Okay. Now once you have installed the Python and check that add to path, now let's go on and install the pip command using the curl command. Now the curl command is a special Unix command which helps us to get the pip command installed. So I'm going to I'm going to give you the link for downloading this particular notepad file in my video, so you can go ahead and download it and you can try it. So what you need to do is first you need to open the CMD terminal by just going and clicking on the search icon, and you just have to type CMD on it, so you will be able to get the command prompt. So once you get the command prompt, you just have to go ahead and copy paste this particular instruction which I'm showing on the screen onto that particular CMD. So once you finish that, you can hit an enter. So once you paste it onto the CMD prompt, you will get a file executed, and then you get take the second command and you're going to again paste it onto the CMD command and hit enter. Then you will see that your pip file will be installed. So it says installed pip. So this is how you install the pip command. Now once you install the pip command, again go back to your CMD, open the CMD command. So this is a command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, you can type the message which says pip install tk. So pip install tk is already installed in my computer. So if you retype this on your computer, if tk, the Tkinter module which we are going to use to develop our GUI is not installed, then you will be able to get a message like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall. I'm going to show how you can uninstall this too. So the message which has to be the command which has to be typed is pip uninstall the package name, the TK. So it is successfully uninstalled by clicking on yes. You need to give an S to that. Then I'm going to install it again. So pip install tk. This is how you install any kind of packages. So you just have to type pip install tk to install the Tkinter package. Now you will be able to develop the GUIs, because the first step is we have installed the pip. The second step is we have installed the Tkinter module. So this is two important steps which I will be sending you the link. You can download it and you can try it on your computer. So once you finish with the pip and the tk command installation on your command prompt, what you need to do is go back and open Python script mode, type import tkinter and tkinter.test. So this is an inbuilt module where you can test your app if it is installed correctly. So Tkinter is the TK module is being installed or not. This is like a regular module how we have used import random, import math, but Tkinter is not a built-in module of Python. We have a third party which is built it. So we have to use the pip command to install the TK module. So we have done that in our previous steps. So now we are testing if TK is working perfectly fine. So if I'm going to execute this particular code, so you should be able to get a small window which is going to open up separately. This is the window which gets executed apart from the output window which you regularly see. So this is called the Tkinter window, where you are going to run the test module from import Tkinter. So if you see this, that means your Tkinter is being installed perfectly fine and you can start building on your GUI. So if you're going to click on the click me button, there are two buttons, then the quit button, it quits. So this is all about installing Tkinter and pip. So I'm going to send you the link for downloading the pip command and the Tkinter command. So you can download it. It'll be in my description on the YouTube channel. Thank you.